Planning a move in Flint, Michigan? Whether you're relocating locally or long distance, understanding the costs and choosing the right movers is essential. Let's explore what you need to know. Moving costs in Flint vary based on several factors. On average, local moves range from $110 to $140 per mover hour for a two-person crew, totaling between $400 and $900 for a typical two-bedroom home. For long-distance moves, costs can range from $1,357 to $8,042, depending on distance and load size. Several elements impact your moving expenses. Home size. Larger homes require more time and resources. Distance. Longer distances increase transportation costs. Additional services. Packing, storage, and specialty items add to the price. Timing. Moves during peak seasons or weekends may cost more. Moving services in Flint include full-service moves, comprehensive services covering packing, loading, and transportation. Labor-only moves, hiring movers to assist with loading and unloading your rental truck. Specialty moves, handling items like pianos or antiques. Consider these reputable moving companies in Flint. To keep costs down, book. Midweek, avoid weekend premiums. Pack yourself, save on packing services. Compare quotes. Obtain estimates from multiple companies. Declutter. Reduce the volume of items to move. By understanding moving costs and planning ahead, you can ensure a smooth and affordable move in Flint. Thanks for watching. For more moving tips and advice, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon.